Shit. No sound. Sorry about that. Can you hear me now, guys? I apologize for that. Make sure you guys smash the likes. I do appreciate it. All right. So, anyways, I just wanted to put out there, since all the haters, all the bulls that are constantly thinking it has to go up, I'm getting... First of all, I'm super tired, guys. Most of you know I've been working on the new studio and the new building every day. That's why I haven't been around on Twitter and stuff as much. I will be back full-time on it soon. I'm almost done. I get the rest of my furniture Tuesday, and then hopefully I can have everything hooked up. But anyways, if you watched this morning's video, you would see that I had this target up here at 39,971. We didn't quite get there. We could still go higher. We could still go to 41,000, but I do think this is a bull trap, just like I described in this morning's video. If you did watch it, people are always like, oh, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. No, pay attention to the whole damn video, or don't even watch the video. And that's why I don't do constant updates, because I give you all the areas to watch during the videos that I make once a day. And there's no reason to make emergency videos, because I've already explained what we could watch for. So anyways, that is what I wanted to say. I'm just, like I said, this isn't going to be a very long video. I am super tired. I just wanted to get on to tell you guys, even if we pump to 41 or 41, that is a possibility. I still believe this is a bear trap. If we look at this on, a bull trap. Sorry. If we look at this on a, let me get over to this chart. We also were looking at this right here earlier today, 39,105. But this target hit almost perfect. Let's go back over to this one now, and we'll get all this stuff off the screen and see what is going on. So, all right, let's take a look. Do we see any divergence here in the 4 hour? Yes, we do. This is straight across. This is slightly up. Although the 4 hour RSI does have room if it wants to move up some more. Let's take a look at the daily. Where is the daily? So the daily, nothing's changed here, guys. We've been talking about this forever and a day. If we look at these highs here, starting from right here, and we'll go from the same highs on the RSI. This is hidden bearish divergence. Still, guys, nothing has changed here. No, we're not going to the moon. Not right now. First off, I would have to see a break of this 4 hour EMA on the daily, and to get support there before I would consider us being bullish. And that would be a break of 41,000 and then support on it. Other than that, guys, this RSI is resetting. The RSI is moving up, making room for more downside while the price is not moving up. I've explained this over and over. Butterluck inside, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. Oh, dang it. Hold on a minute. I'm screwing up my whole screen here. So anyways, those of you that watch my videos and watch this morning, you're probably not panicking and freaking out and calling for a $200,000 Bitcoin. Until we see something different here, there's no reason to think that we're just going to continue higher. Like I said, if you watched the video this morning, I had this target sitting right here. I've not changed anything. I appreciate the super chat, brother. I am super tired, guys, so I'm going to hang out. Mike said I had to unsubscribe for a few channels. They're crazy. Kurt said you're a bear. I am a bear. I am a bear. Still thinking this will play out. We'll see mid-20s before coming up here. The only way that's invalidated is across 47.1. So wave 4 can go as high as 47.1. I would just short the hell out of it the whole way up. Unless we break the 47.1, then this counts invalid. But until that happens, this is a totally valid count here. Thanks, Troy. I appreciate that. People are saying that Elon posted something before it shot up. I'll check his Twitter. Didn't see anything. It's a bull trap. I'm almost positive. Yeah, me too. I mean, I said that this morning. Any pump today is most likely going to be a bull trap. Let's take a look at the pre-markets. A lot of times what you'll see Bitcoin do, this is just things I've noticed, and I'll point out that the pre-markets are up a little bit. It doesn't really matter. We've got 12 hours, we got 11 hours before the market opens. But usually what will happen, like on a Sunday, Bitcoin will try to pump up. The traditional markets will open and just drag everything down. So it's like Bitcoin, they try to rally it so it's up a little bit higher. So when it does dump with the traditional markets, which I've showed you guys in the traditional markets, I do believe we are headed for some bad territory. As you can see here, this yellow line or green line, whichever it is, I'm colorblind right here. Lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price action. That is bearish divergence. And this is the weekly, guys. That's some pretty scary stuff. Going to get rejected, but good time to take profits on altcoins. Yeah, and guys, if this plays out, there is going to be a huge opportunity down here to make massive money. If you're into alts, that'd probably be a good time to buy if Bitcoin gets down to this area. I will probably be putting longs in down here in the mid 20s to ride all the way up to 50 to 55,000 and then all the way back down. But see this chart, nothing has changed here. I'm looking for the low at the end of this month. And then I'm looking for a bounce, a 3-wave bounce up to the 50 to 55,000 range. And that would end in August or September. This is a huge life-changing trade opportunity if it plays out. And then short the shit out of it up here. That is what my plan is. I will let you know if it changes. But guys, nothing's happened here. Nothing's changed. Nothing. So anyways, yeah, I don't know, guys. It's just funny that everybody gets so bullish. And let me take this stuff off here and look at the chart. There's literally nothing bullish about it. Nothing, guys. You're all hyped up on hype. Just relax. If it does go out, there's areas we watch. But as of right now, we're just consolidating in here, just ranging. That's all this is doing on the daily here. Black Gaze just wanted to say thanks again for the hard work. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. If you guys would, I would appreciate it. Smash that like button. We have 471 people in here and only 139 likes. If you need some help, you don't know how to hit the likes, I will show you right now. All you have to do is go down here. You're watching the video right here. Just click that, make it blue. You can click the down if you want. I don't care which one you click, because either one, it helps the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much for smashing the likes. Nothing's changed in any of these charts, guys. I don't change my charts. There's no reason to. Thanks for your work, Savvy. I've been watching your charts for a month, and you're right on target, dude. Right on. Roy, what's up, bud? Thanks for taking the time to do the live. Yeah, man. Like I said, it probably won't be too long. I'm totally exhausted, man. I've been working nonstop over trying to get this studio and building ready, and it's definitely taking its toll. I am super tired, but to be open, I did short earlier at, I put it in at 39,529. I'm short from there. Savvy, it looks like the bulls lost steam. Yeah, like I said, if you watched my video this morning, I said, first of all, I had this chart up here, and I said, any rally up, I believe, is going to be a bull trap. And it does seem like that is exactly what we're seeing. Like I said, it could go higher. For this wave count to be correct, it just can't go above 47.1 before coming down to the mid-20s, which I think we'll see the mid-20s at the end of this month, if this count is correct. If it changes, you know, I'll change it. But look at the volume here, guys. The volume's just literally nothing. It's going to nothing. Savvy, my brother, the most objective and consistent crypto YouTuber. Thanks, Donatello. I do appreciate that. We've got 526 people in here and only 240 likes. Come on, guys. Take a second out. Smash the likes. While you're down there, check out my wife's webpage, inkyyourimage.com. Also, my other affiliate links down there, PrimeXBT. And if you watch my tutorial on my channel, which is right here, if you go onto my YouTube page, there's a PrimeXBT tutorial here, a BYBIT tutorial, and the free tutorials using EMA, using my EMA strategy and such is all right here. Definitely check it out. But as of right now, like I said, guys, there's nothing really bullish right here. You go off these two highs, and we have a lower high actually from this peak and a higher high on the RSI. Hidden bearish divergence. I do think that's going to play out. Thanks, Locked and Loaded. I appreciate it. Just found your channel. Thanks, Sumbar. Join and subscribe. I do daily updates every day. As most of the people in here know, I'm working on a new studio and a new building for my wife's business. We're damn near done with it. Once that happens, I will be doing my morning shows, probably around 9 a.m. Eastern. I got something in my eye, sorry. Probably around 9 a.m. Eastern. And I'm going to start a second show too, maybe only a couple days of work, a couple days a week at first. And that one's probably going to be around lunchtime, right around 12 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm going to start out like looking over altcoin charts, and that's going to be a live stream, taking people's requests for looking at alt charts, and then kind of see what the audience wants, and we can make it whatever you guys want for that second channel. Well, not second channel, but the second show. So I want to grow it and see what it grows into, you know, by what you guys want to see. It's all your guys's just as well as it is mine. It's a freaking bull trap. Don't be fooled, said Jeff B. I think it is. Could be wrong, but like I said, I talked about it this morning being a possible bull trap, to be careful. I did tell people this could happen and to not be surprised if it did. It's Sunday. It's the weekend. There's low volume. This is what happens. Jasmine, savvy as always, giving the truthful facts of what's really going on. Always appreciate your input. Thanks. I appreciate you. Agreed, Jeff Bay. This isn't the first time this happened. In the past, do the alts rally to the bull trap? A little bull trap? Not so much. That doesn't really matter. The big bull trap, if this plays out like this, everything will probably rally really hard right here for a couple months. Yeah, just, you know, like I said, if you just zoom out, and bulls like to say that, just zoom out. They haven't been saying it here because if you zoom out, it looks horrible. But if you zoom out seriously and look at this, there's really nothing happened, guys. Nothing. Like I said, we have major hidden bearish divergence still. Nothing has changed there. It's still bearish, guys. Arcava, the health is good. I'm doing much better. Thank you for asking. Jack Chen, you're welcome. Thank you for the super chat. I do appreciate that, brother. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Again, this is the daily, but we go back to the 4-hour. I'm going to go ahead and get these lines off of here. Let me get that out of there. We're just going to keep this just like this. But like I said, there is room for the RSI to get one more blip up to 40 to 41,000. It is possible. Like I said, I did enter a short at 39,520, I think it was. Just curious, is your new studio in Georgia? No, it's not in Georgia. Soul Extender, thank you for your inputs. I wish I found your channel earlier. Joined your Discord as well. Right on. And I apologize to all you guys in the Discord. Hit one if you're in the Discord. But I apologize to you guys for not being in there much. I promise I'll be in there a lot more once I get the studio done. I'll probably treat it like a regular job, and I'll be hanging out in there pretty much all day in between shows. And yeah. China ban on mining could cause this. Brookie, I don't pay attention to the news. I think everything's in the chart already. News just happens to line up. I don't believe in watching the news. 41, Paul. I'm on super low leverage right now, and I will raise the leverage as it comes down, and I may raise the margin too, but I want to be sure it's topped. 4-hour RSI looks like a rising wedge. It could be. If it is, then it's got one more push up. Do you always wear your hat because your hair is in a bear trend? I've always wear a hat just because I've always wore a hat. Always. How do you get red and green indicator on the RSI? Red and green indicator? Oh, you must be talking about a... I don't know what you're talking about. Red and green indicator on the RSI. You're probably talking about some kind of indicator. Hey, Savvy, ain't been watching charts lately since I refused to cash out until October's the earliest. Us damn maximalists. Good to see you. Appreciate your readings as usual. Thanks, Little Miss Begster. I hope all is well. Crypto Baker, I can't get in the Discord for some reason. Huh. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to. That's a good life philosophy. Nowadays, don't watch the news. Yeah, really. I mean, the same people watching the news on Bitcoin and believing it and making videos about it are the same people that tell you don't believe anything on the news. How does that make sense, people? Is the fib level at 95, I guess? 9,500? No, there's not a fib level at 9,500. Let me get this off there. The 9,500 is actually this high volume node right here. Our fib levels, where I would expect to bounce, like I said, that's why I'm saying mid-20s, between 25 and 27.2. That is the golden pocket zone right there. If those break, then we could go much lower. It could get really ugly. But first, I'd be looking for at least a bounce here. Like I said, I believe we'll get a dead cat bounce before coming down hard. And I do believe it'll play out something like this. It doesn't have to be exact, obviously. But if you watch my channel, you know I had these Elliott waves drawn in here. Right at the same time, I drew the wick off, which did play out, which was in March 24th is when I drew this trend line, or this line in right here. I was the first to call this. If you find someone that called it first, let me know. But you can look at my video, March 24th, I called it. I think we were around 58,000. I said that 50 or 63 to 64 would be the top, looking like a bull trap. And pretty much exactly what happened. Like I said, there's the line I drew. But right now I'm looking at the Elliott wave theory. I do believe this to be redistribution. Then we'll get a bounce and get everybody bullish. And I think this will be one massive 2-month-long bull trap. And then just killing it after that. Could you check out the gravestone doji forming on the 6 month? I don't even think I have 6 month. as one of my options here. No, I have 1 month, which doesn't look very good, and I have 12 months. The 12 month looks pretty damn ugly, if I do say so myself. But let me see if I can find that. Let me see if I can put it through 6 month on here. Let's see, months. 6 month. I mean, I don't know that anybody's actually trading the 6 months, so let's see. That 6 month looks pretty much like the year. So if I go back into the 12 months, looks pretty much the same. Looks pretty ugly. Let's see how that weekly is looking. Weekly is still looking like a bear flag. Not looking bullish, in my opinion. Got a lot of room to fall down on the RSI here for the weekly. So be careful. And on the weekly, the 200 EMA is going to be around 17,000. But it could never, ever go below 20 again, right? We'll see. You're welcome, Doug. I appreciate you hanging out, man. All you guys, I really do appreciate it. Please smash that like button if you haven't already. You have to do what on Bitstamp? Let's see. Not a bull trap. Your LA wave count is off. 49.5 is the start of wave 4. Okay. I mean, that's your opinion, and you're entitled to it. You could be right. I could be wrong. I could be right. You could be wrong. Pretty sure this is pretty damn accurate. But I'm sure you're pretty sure yours is too, buddy. A YouTuber named Ryan Mata, he also called it March from 62. He called it from 62. I called it from 58 before it even hit the high. So March 24th, it was 58. It never even seen 60 at that point. So no, that wasn't first. Thanks, Abby, for the real-time updates. This has saved me so much money. Right on, RB. But remember, VK, welcome. Remember, guys, nobody knows, absolutely nobody knows for sure exactly what's going to happen. So nobody should be trading off of what I say. Nobody should be trading off what any other YouTuber says. And that's why people say, thanks, I've made so much money watching your channel. No, it's not because of me. You made the decision. I didn't push the button for you. I'm not telling you to push the button. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to long. I'm not telling you to short. I show you my ideas. What you do with them is up to you. The period, point blank. When do you think we will know it's a bull trap? We'll know by tomorrow morning for sure. Probably before then. The 12th, 14th of every month for the past 15 months, Bitcoin has crashed. That's interesting, Zach. Lisa T, found you recently and so glad someone not afraid to say BTC going down. It's okay to say that. See, this is the thing. This is the thing with most people that get into Bitcoin, right? Most people get into Bitcoin and they buy it and they just hope it keeps going up forever, which it's not going to go up forever. And it's not going to go up in a straight line. It's going to correct. So the beauty of trading is it doesn't matter which way Bitcoin is going. You don't have to hope that it only goes up. And that's why most channels that just say it's going up do so well, because that's what everybody wants to hear. It's just to make them feel better. But in reality, there is opportunity when the market goes down, and there's opportunity when it goes up, and you can make a hell of a lot more money trading it than holding it. Say if you bought up at 63 and we don't see that again for 40 years. I'm sorry, not 40 years, 2 or 3 years before we ever see that high again. Money's sitting there doing nothing when you could be trading. You could be making money going down, making money going up, and then buying back super low if this plays out. John Walder's awesome channel. What would be a signal to short? I already shorted. Like I said, I started entering my shorts on low leverage, guys. If you are trading, if you're new to trading, trade with very little money. Don't go high leverage. Always use stop losses and use risk management. Don't risk 40% to gain 5%. Flog Gardner. LOL Savvy, I doubt you're wrong. I'm waiting patiently to buy my alts. I'll wait some more. Low volume pump to 40 was the signal. Just joined the channel, starting from the beginning to see it all. What's up, Derek? Glad you joined us today. Don't forget to smash them likes, guys. Or getting wrecked trading. If you use stop losses and you understand a few things about trading, you don't get wrecked. You will probably lose money when you're learning, and that's why I tell people to put very little money in. You can start with a fake account with fake money, and once you get where that's profitable, then start with a little tiny bit of money, because then it's a whole new learning curve when you deal with emotion. Emotion is what makes most traders lose. Like a little pump like this, then they'll get in, they'll long, and it's already been green forever, and they'll come down. It will knock their long out, and it could go back up after that, but whatever. I'm just using that as an example. People don't long green candles and don't short red candles. It's the opposite. Savvy, what would be the next low target from here? Probably to come back down and test this 31,000, 30,500 range. And like I said, I'm waiting towards, I think towards the end of the month, we will see this mid 20 range. I still believe that. What happened to you? Other short at 38? I cashed out way over here yesterday. I was right about what I had a bunch of shorts in there. I think I told everybody in Discord when I got out, but I haven't lost any shorts. Guys, when I short, let me explain something real quick. When I put shorts in, and I've showed it, and I tell people in the Discord when I do it, let's put this down on the hourly, right? So let's say I shorted up here. When I short, I'll do it with a tight stop loss or low leverage if I'm leaving it a lot of room, but usually a tight stop loss. And once that short gets into profit, I'll move it down to at least break even. And then if it comes up and knocks me out, I broke even. If it goes down more past a support level, then I'll move my stop down to that support level so I'm in profit no matter what. That's how I use my stops. So I may have 20 trades and only win small amounts, but I didn't lose anything. And then when you do get in a good trade like that, ride it. You can ride it quite a ways, but use stops, guys. But everybody wants one trade. They want to ride that trade till they have $1 million. That's how you get wrecked. That is how you get wrecked. Hannon Samaro, thank you for the super chat. I do appreciate it. Thanks, brother. Elon Musk bought it 30,000. I don't think it'll get lower. Dude, you don't understand markets. All them big guys, they'll sell just like everybody else. They want cash. They want cash. Cash is still king. I don't care what anyone says. How long did it take to be profitable in trading? I started in penny stocks, so it was a little bit different. I was just playing short positions mostly. Shorting just big rallies. I lost a lot of money in the beginning. To be honest, I didn't use stops, none of that. I've told everybody before, I lost around $100,000 learning to trade because I just put a bunch of money in and I had a couple good trades right away and I thought I was a pro and I kept dumping big money in and it just took it all, killed me. That's why I say start out with a fake account, then start out with a small trading account. Like literally on Prime, or I think even BYBIT, you can trade with $1. Trade with it. And what I tell people is $10, whatever your situation is financially, everybody's different. But let's say you start out with $10 in your trading. If you can't build that $10 up, then you can't put 10,000 in and build that up. So why start with a large amount till you learn? So start out with little amounts, guys. Dandrick, still planning on doing TA vids as live streams? Yeah, I will do that too. Would that only be probably one day a week? And we'll get that in there. We'll make a day and I'll schedule everything. All my streams will be on a time schedule. So it'll be much, just much easier to watch and know when it's coming on. Like I said, I'm real sporadic right now. I'm trying to get all this stuff done. But yeah, I will be doing TA videos where we'll go over stuff, definitely. Hey Savvy, in your opinion, even this huge pump, this doesn't indicate bull is coming back? That's not a huge pump, bud. That's what I just tried to explain to you guys. If you look at the daily, that's not a huge pump, buddy. Not a huge pump. This over here, that was a huge pump. This isn't huge. This is just what we've been seeing over and over. And the volume was nothing. The volume's literally crap. Look, it's just declining. And not only is the volume declining, on the daily, we have lower highs. On the RSI, higher highs. That is hidden bearish divergence, suggesting that we're going to see lower lows. Do you hodl at all? And what do you fall back to? I'm only holding 2 Bitcoin. I will buy back a hodl position the beginning of next year because I do believe we will see much lower Bitcoin. But I only hold 2 Bitcoin and I use them to trade with. That's it. And I cash out my profits every week. No matter what, I cash out my profits every week. To the USD, not Tether, none of that crap. Morning, Rama. Do you look at the BLX chart sometimes? Yeah, I do look at the BLX chart. Are you talking about the Brave Coin Index? I think I have one up here somewhere. Maybe I don't have it up here. I thought I did, but I guess not. But yeah, I do look at the BLX. I have some long-term charts on there. Your opinion, please, when the bullish rally start date? I don't know an exact date. Nobody does. If they tell you they do, they're lying. Are you talking about this B wave rally that I'm thinking is going to happen? I think it'll start sometime towards the end of this month. Hey Savvy, awesome content. Thank you so much for your effort. I've been subscribed for a few weeks. Tried to join the Discord, but it will not work. Confirm my phone number. Will not have good network. Oh, I wish I could help you out, Cody. I don't know if you can. I don't know. Try YouTubing it. See if anybody else had that problem, maybe. We have put more security stuff on the Discord just to keep all the spammers and scammers out. And they still get in, but not nearly as bad. So we're trying to keep that clean in there. People say the Dow Jones is forming a ascending triangle on the weekly and about to fall off a cliff. Fahad, here, I'll show you. I just showed this earlier. Here's the Dow Jones. And you can look at this either way. You could look at this with the white line. Look at this divergence. lower highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price action. That is bearish divergence. And then if you look at this line here, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, that is bearish divergence. So it's not looking good for the Dow Jones. And this is the weekly. That's pretty scary. So if we look at this triangle on the daily, if we come back down and get a bounce off that 37,400, then yes, we could probably go higher. We could go as high as 50. That would invalidate my count. I don't think that's going to happen. And really not looking at this as a triangle right now, just looking at it as maybe a ABC, ABC, and then down, or ABC, X, WXY, and then down. But it's still looking at this as a fourth wave, no matter what. It still looks like a fourth wave to me. We had a simple correction on 2. Wave 4 should be complex, which it is. You're welcome. Hey, Savvy, how much do you pull your profits every week, roughly? Just curious, not trying to be nosy. They range depending, you know, because I don't win every trade. Nobody wins every trade, but they range. I'd say the lowest I've had in the last year is probably about $1,500 to $2,500, and as high as $45,000 to $60,000. Can you explain layman's term a typical trade with your 2 Bitcoin? Yeah, I trade my Bitcoin on leverage, but that's a question with many answers. It depends on what I'm trading. If I'm doing a big trade, small trade, I have a small trade account that I keep on BYBIT, and I have my main trade account that I keep on Prime, and it all depends on the trade. They can be I do my bigger trades on Prime. I usually will ladder into positions with stop losses. And like I said, it all depends. Sometimes I'll enter market, sometimes they're limit. It all depends on what the market's doing. No 2 trades are the same. Is Death Cross something to short on? Sam, I don't pay attention to Death Cross. I don't use MAs. I only use EMAs in crypto. I use the 8, the 13. You can go to my channel right here, and it shows you right here using EMAs. It shows you how I use my 8, 13, 21, 55, and 200 EMA. There's also the Prime XBT and BYBIT tutorial. Prime XBT, if you sign up using my link, watch this video because it shows you how to use their margin. But if you sign up using my link and Savvy50 as your promo code, that'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus. Savvy25 will get you 25% off of your fees. I stayed 4 days in a trade, someone said. Oh yeah, so I've been in trades for weeks. But yeah, it's different. Sometimes I'll do 2, 3 a day, depending on what's going on. And this chop, it's risky, especially with, you know, like I said, I'm working on the new studio and the building and that, so I'm not able to monitor my trades as closely. Like I said, I haven't been on Twitter, haven't been in Discord as often, and again, I apologize for that. I will be getting back in there more, but it does seem like you guys are doing good in there, getting along, helping each other out. Definitely check it out if you haven't. Down below, scroll all the way down below through my affiliate links all the way to the bottom. There's a free Discord. Check out the William Duffy said simple TA, stimmy checks start again next month. Don't count on it, bud. You're listening to the same news that's been lying to us about everything else. And they're all part of the markets. The charts say that the stimmy checks aren't going to help, but we'll see. Could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. I am open to bullish views if someone shows me one that makes sense. This is the only thing that's making sense to me right now. ANAS, I subscribed. Your analysis is good. Thanks, man. Do you hedge? I have hedged my trades, and that's a good thing about Prime. You can do that. You can have multiple trades in. So if you are in a short and it goes the wrong way on you, you can hedge it with a long. So yeah. But yeah, I have. Somebody said short Bitcoin now. Just be cautious. Like I said, this 37.4 is going to be the area to watch for Bitcoin. Are we close to the potential death cross? I don't know. I don't use MAs. I don't watch the death cross. Hi, Savvy. Think crypto will make another drop or will keep going up? Not sure if to buy today. Nobody knows for sure what it's going to do, but I do think we are still going to see the mid-20s before any big bounce up. But I think it's a good possibility the top is in. And if the stimmy check come again, no one thought of the free money coming and going to Doge. All kinds of random projects that will die out, and then money will move to good locations. Well, if all the markets crash, which I believe it's coming, all the money will go into the dollar. The death cross will be a trap. 34K probably. Can you show some Ethereum? Yeah, I can show you Ethereum. Let's see. Let's move this. So Ethereum is getting rejected on the 55 EMA right now. And we have lower highs. And we're getting rejected at the bottom of this triangle. But we have lower highs in the price action. And we have higher highs in the RSI. That is hidden bearish divergence in a downtrend, suggesting more downside. Litecoin, same thing. We are getting hidden bearish divergence right there, lower highs and higher highs. That is saying that we probably have more downside in Litecoin also. Everything looks pretty bearish, guys. Like I said, any little pumps are just going to be bull traps, in my opinion. If you watch the charts, you can literally see the pumps. How's the new office? It's good. I don't have my new desk yet, so I haven't brought all this computer stuff. I'm still at home with all this. Once I get the new desk over there Tuesday, I'll be moving my computer and everything over, and that's when I'll start doing videos from there. But I did get my furniture in there. I'm waiting on some pretty badass Wall Street paintings. I think you guys will enjoy. They will be in the background of my new show. What if you're all waiting for 20 and the market doesn't give it to you, and then because a lot of people are expecting it? But see, you say that a lot of people are expecting it, but people turn on a whim. With this little tiny blip of a pump here, everybody started turning bullish again. So yeah, I don't go by that. And everybody now is saying because everybody thinks it's going to go down, it's not. So really, technically, everybody thinks it's not going to go down because they think everybody thinks it's going to go down. If that makes sense. You should get a custom made Crypto Savvy LED. Yeah, one of the buildings by me, a guy makes that stuff. I'm going to have that on one side. I'm going to also have, you'll see, it's going to be a pretty cool setup. I won't have the paintings for, I think, another 2 weeks. The Crypto Savvy logo, not sure when I'm going to have that either, but we'll get it set up. Do you prefer trading USD or BTC pairings on altcoins? I don't really trade altcoins. I trade Bitcoin. Why trade altcoins when you can make damn good money off of Bitcoin? Although like I said, I will be dabbling in altcoins, and if this plays out, I may buy some altcoins. I'll let you know if I do. If we do get down to this mid-20s range for Bitcoin, I'll let you know what alts I get into. Savvy, what do you think about borrowing against your crypto? I don't do that stuff. Congrats on a success. Just joined your free Discord. Awesome. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks a million for tuning in. I'll try to do my update in the morning, but I gotta meet some people at the building. I got more stuff getting painted, so I got the painters that are coming in the morning. If I have time in the morning, I will make a video before I go. If not, I'll do one in the evening. I'll do a live stream. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Like I said, I'm whooped, or I'd stick around a little bit longer. Happy trading. Be careful. Check out my affiliate links down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.